Good afternoon, YouTube. Here is the after. Project really impressed. We're really happy with the results of this project. Now I'm going to just show you the front and then I'm going to go in the back. We did most of the work here was in the back, but we rebuilt the irrigation all over. So the entire lawn irrigation has been upgraded. But most of the landscaping work we did was in the back. We started with repairing the sod that was damaged from the pool installation. Check out the before video. I want to slide these here out of the way. Do some conditioning. You put in these gardenias. Okay. So let's check out the backyard. Now this pool was installed using travertine decking, which is a really nice upgrade that they chose to go with. I would definitely recommend it because of how durable the stone is, as well as the white river rock that we used to complement it. What this is going to do is save you money on mulch. And right up next to the pool, you don't want to have mulch. Obviously, with the fresh grass, you definitely don't want to have to edge right up against the travertine, so you need some type of buffer. So let's take a look at the lawn. In the before, you'll see that this was not the best looking lawn. So let's take a look at how things are now. Now there used to be a magnolia tree at the other end of this lawn, but now you got nothing but wide open. If you know how to throw a football, you should know what to do. We put in another Craype Myrtle. There was one that was over closer to the fence. We took it out and ground the old stump. We also ground the stump of the old Magnolia. Now this grass looks really good. It's fresh. This was cut just the day that we put it in. We installed our sod farm fresh from our supplier in Hastings, Florida. So this is just the beginning, and this lawn is just going to get green and more green. And once the roots become established, the irrigation coverage is exact. We coordinated the nozzle sizes so it'll have consistent watering. And this is just for enjoying your life. One of the cool things about this year is 2019 runs out of time. This is the year where, in the 5th year, where I finally realized what our core mission is, or the purpose for our company. We want you to love your life in your yard. And you can already imagine the good times that'll be had back here. In the comments below, what would you have going on if this was your backyard this weekend? This is Florida lifestyle. let's check out the rest of it over here. We just replaced all of the irrigation equipment, including the irrigation timer, which I'm not going to go in the garage to take a picture of it, but I will show you the new irrigation valve cover that we installed. We started off with a bad situation. Check out the before video. So that's what you got. We are always thrilled to do every one of these projects. Follow us on Instagram at Florida Pro Lawn Care. Till next time.